Hello guys, so today we're going to make a flight from Frankfurt from the very beginning to Salzburg until full stop and taxiing to gate. So if you're ready, we can start.
We start by checking the voltmeters on the battery and ground power. If it's available, then turn on the battery and ground power. We have power, and then we start from left to right, going from up to down. RS selectors, nav, and then we check flight control switches, moving switches, alternative flaps, damper on, normal, 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 pumps off, galley power on, standby power, auto, generators off, normal emergency exit lights to armed, no smoking, fasten seatbelts, window heat, overheat and power, turn on, overhead lights working, fighter static off, anti-ice off, hydraulic pumps electrical off, and auto back, one auto, one off, bleeds, APU bleed off and bleeds on, flight altitude, today will be 210, landing altitude, what is our landing altitude? 1410. Standby, cabin altitude 40. And ground lights on. And that's it for now here. Okay, then we turn on the monitors. And lights in the cockpit. A mess. And we check anti-status on, ground proximity, normal switches to normal, gear, normal flap, normal, and we check the overheat system, fault lights, and we have engine 1, APU, and engine 2 lights and signal. And then extinguishers, number 1 left and number 2 right, green lights. After overheat test, we are ready to start the APU. Turn one of the fuel pumps and APU to start, 3 seconds on. Wait for the APU to start, monitor the exhaust temperature. After APU started, we turn on the APU generators, left and right. To turn on the APU bleed for air conditioning. We start with the FMS, check if the database is active. If it's the correct aircraft, then go to position, and the reference airport will be Frankfurt, Echo Delta Delta Foxtrot, and current position. Then we go to route, Echo Delta Delta Foxtrot, to our destination, Lima Oscar Whiskey Sierra, flight number 737, and departure runway 18, and then we enter the route. So we'll be going via standard instrument departure, Delta Kilo Bravo, and enter the SID later, then via airway Tango 104, then Serum intercept continue with the input. Final point and first point of the arrival is Sierra Bravo Golf for the Salzburg VOR. And we activate and execute. Then performance. So zero fuel weight from the load sheet is 54 tons. Gross weight 60 tons. Reserves will be 2.5 tons. Cost index for this flight will be 35 and cruise altitude flight level 210. Transition altitude should be 6,000. Execute and take off. Outside temperature -2. So we have V1 144, rotate speed 146 and V2 153 and flaps for departure. So FMS pre-flight input is complete. We start with the MCP panel, flight directors to on, and then course, runway course 178. And this is VQ will be 153 from the FMS, heading 178. Initial heading, initial climb altitude for now is 4,000 according to the chart, and course will repeat 178. So that's it for the MCP. We set the frequencies on the radio. So the delivery frequency 121.9 and ground frequency 121.8.
Pre-flight checklist.
Okay. Pre-flight checklist. Oxygen
100% tested.
tested 100%. Instrument transfer switches normal. Window heat is on. Recirculation mode selector auto. Flight instruments.
Flight instrument heading 004 and our QNH will be for today 1010.
1010. 1010 set.
On the standby as well. So heading 004, QNH 1010 altitude at 340 and QNH 1010 altitude 340. Check on your side as well.
Altitude 340, QNH 1010 and heading 004. Check. Okay, parking brake
Set.
engine start levers
Cut off.
and gear pins
Checked.
We have 3 gear pins checked. Okay, pre-flight checklist complete. Frankfurt delivery. Good day, Baltic 737 with you, requesting a FAR clearance to Salzburg.
Baltic Aviation 737 Frankfurt ground. You are cleared to Salzburg Airport via flight planned route. Delta Kilo Bravo 4 Lima departure. Initial climb altitude 4,000. QNH 1010 squawk 3521.
Clear to Salzburg Airport as file via Delta 4 Lima departure, initial climb altitude 4000, QNH 1010 and squawk 3521, Baltic 737.
Baltic 737, read back correct. Contact ground on 121.8.
Contact the ground on 121.8, Baltic 737.